Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Gmail address or Gmail ID or username. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. So first of all, open your Play Store. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. After that, click onto setting option. Select the first option, general. Select the second option, and here you can show your email address. Click on and customize from here, and then click on to save. And after that, verify your email address, then successfully change your ID and username. Click on to got it. So that's how you can do it. So that's how you can easily change Gmail address, ID or username.